In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening device's settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now activate it thanks to gray switcher at the top right corner and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Now you can click on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option, and then hit pair at the bottom right corner. Now if you are trying to connect to any tablet or smartphone, you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Now to disconnect them, tap on this icon next to your device and select unpair under device name. If you want to reconnect, just click on one of your paired devices on the left. Then wait. It should connect after a couple of seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!